Hey there friends, on today's video we are going to be doing a quick unboxing and setup of this Hisense Android TV. You can see it's a 65-inch TV, 4K Ultra HD. We picked it up from Best Buy for a steal. So let's get into this. So Best Buy is having a pre-Black Friday sale at the making of this video. It is currently November 2020. And we were able to pick up this TV for about 150 bucks off. We got it for 250 bucks plus tax. That's incredible for a 65-inch TV. I've never paid that low for such a large TV before. A couple of quick features. You can see it's obviously got that 4K Ultra HD. It is an Android TV, which is pretty cool, which means you can get Google Assistant directly built in, as well as Chromecast that's currently built in. You can actually also use it with Alexa, as you can see on the box there. It does have a couple of interesting sound features. You can see that it's got that DTS Virtual X. Now, just like any other smart TV, you can download apps and games. You can see there's over 4,000 plus different apps and games you can get for this specific TV. And hey, Dwayne Wade endorses it, so there you go. So as you can see, it also comes with a Google Assistant voice remote, which is going to be another great addition to our Google-enabled home that we have set up. Now, one other interesting thing to note about this specific TV, these newer TVs all kind of are very, very lightweight. I'm really surprised. I can pick up one end, obviously, with one hand. Again, compared to TVs in the past, that's pretty incredible. You do obviously need two people with TVs of this size to get it from the store into your living room. Make sure you show up to places like Best Buy with a large truck if you're not having it delivered. All right, enough talk. Let's go ahead and dig in and see how it looks inside. All right, inside the box, as soon as we open up, you can see the styrofoam protector, as well as two of the TV stands that are on either side. Make sure you do not lose these. This is what you need to obviously support your TV if you're not going to be hanging it on the wall. Okay, once you have the top styrofoam cover removed, we get our first look at the TV here. Okay, so with these large boxes, instead of having to bring the TV all the way up and out, they've actually put in kind of a nice feature. You can see there's 4 clips. We're gonna have 2 that are on the front side of this box and 2 that are mirrored on the back side. These actually hold in the TV secure to this box. Once we unclip these, we can actually bring the entire box up and out over the TV. So these are held in by a couple of plastic little clips here. I'm just gonna pull that up and out, and you can see the clip comes right out. Again, you can see the 2 pieces of cardboard that it was securing together. I'm gonna pull off this one as well as the 2 on the back. Okay, now that we've unclipped the box, we can actually pull it directly up and out and over the TV. I'm going to attempt to do this with one hand here. Lift it up, and as you can see, it eventually comes up and over. Again, if you've got a ceiling fan or something, be very careful not to hit that. All right, there we go. We've revealed the actual TV now. On the back side of the packaging, you'll find your instruction manual and the remote. Make sure you don't let that get discarded with all of the cardboard and different packaging they're going to be removing. I'm going to go ahead and take off all of this other plastic and styrofoam, and we'll go ahead and get this TV up and out. Okay, with the TV out of the box, it's time to install the stands on the bottom. Now, obviously this can be a little precarious. What we're gonna do is I put a blanket over our coffee table. We're gonna lay this down on its back, not on the screen, on its back, and that'll give us access to the base of the TV. Okay, so here is our TV stands. We actually, again, have the TV laid out on our coffee table now, screen side up. And in order to put these on, you're gonna have to locate the correct ones. So obviously it's labeled left and right. If we look on the bottom here, you can see that little L. And we're gonna look for the corresponding marking on the base of the TV. You can see that this side says L. Again, with the screen up like this, it's gonna be a little bit backwards. Think of the TV facing out, and the L is gonna be over here. The exact same thing is mirrored on the other side of the TV with an R. So once you have the stand in place, you can see that you can easily match up the screw holes for the correct one. And then we're gonna use a little bag of screws that was included in our bag of goodies next to the remote. I'm gonna use a Phillips head screwdriver, and I'm gonna get those guys in there right now. Okay, so we've got our first screw inserted there. Again, I'm just gonna take my second one now, put it in on the bottom using my Phillips head screwdriver, and we're just gonna tighten it down Okay, obviously the exact same thing is mirrored over here on the right-hand side, again by lining up these holes. Okay, there we go. We got the TV moved over here now. Obviously, it took two of us to protect it onto our console. This is 57 inches wide, 65 inches corner to corner. So again, when you're measuring to make sure it'll fit on your console, or if you're gonna hang it on the wall, know that it's, again, 57 inches wide. Okay, last thing to do, obviously, is put our power cable into the proper port on the back and then plug this into an outlet. Okay, power cable is located on the right-hand side of the TV if you're looking at it. And it's gonna be on this block in the back on the lower portion. You can just barely see those plugs kind of sticking out right there. I'm gonna plug in this side of our power cable into there and then the other side into an outlet. Okay, once you get the power cord plugged in, you can see the TV will automatically power on and you're right to the welcome screen. Last thing you can do is obviously go around and take off these little plastic cover protectors and make sure it's nice and clean and ready to watch. Friends, I hope this has helped. If it has, would you guys please hit that thumbs up button? Let us know we're making helpful videos, and subscribe because we're gonna do a bunch more setup tutorial videos on how to get this TV up, ready, and running for you. All right, take care, and we'll see you next time.